Pisces, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of January 2022. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so first of all, a happy new year to everyone, and let's get started with your reading. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. All right, let's see what's going on with my Pisces for the month of January 2022. Let's see. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. At the back of the deck, we have the Four of Cups. Could be dealing with some kind of a boredom energy, or feeling bored around you. Could be things where you are not able to satisfy because of things around you. This is more like a discontentment, dissatisfaction feeling. Could be because of a person, could be because of the situation, mundane situation which you are dealing with. In the past, we have Ace of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, the Hierophant. So your energies were really new. You always loved change in the past. Okay, so there were changes which came in your life in the past, and you felt really good. You felt really blissful with those energies. Could be a marriage which also could have happened, so that change actually helped you and you were really happy. It brought luck in your life as well. In the present, you have Queen of Swords, the Hangman and Six of Wands. Because of some things which have changed, or this is more like a person. This could be a person energy, which like somebody who is being rude to you, and because of that you are being very much in a sense of okay, so for some of you, this could be a person definitely who is really rude to you, and because of that rudeness, you are not able to grow. Not able to grow means not able to be with anyone else, not able to think about some other things in life. So this is the reason why this thing is happening. For the second thing, it could be your energy where you are really thinking too much from your brain. It is more like some clarifications are coming up in your mind, and because of those things you have started progressing in your life the way you would have wanted things to go in a very different manner, but things are not going on because you have started thinking too much about certain things. Might be thinking about one thing and just thinking and thinking about that. So kind of that. So a Libra energy is coming up in my card here. In the coming future, we have Two of Wands, the Emperor and Knight of Pentacles. If you will be like this, Pisces, like just being there, sitting over there, feeling boredom but not doing nothing, just planning and planning in your head but doing nothing in actions, the things will go slow. Okay, so that is the universe which is coming. Universe is telling you right now that you have to put your thoughts into action if you want work or if you want progress, victory in your life. Let's see. It could be in regards with a person as well. Because of that, you are feeling doing nothing. Tell me about the Four of Cups in the overall energy for my Pisces. Three of Wands, Strength and Four of Cups again. Okay, so Four of Cups clarified by Four of Cups. So this is a strong discontentment feeling. Your inner energy, your inner strength is telling you, your inner calling is telling you that, okay, start doing something. Look for something big in life. Do not settle for less. But for that thing, you have to do something. As I told you before, doing something with actions, not just sitting over there and thinking how things will be fine. In the past, let's see, because your past energies are coming quite good to me. Okay, let's see. Why the Wheel of Fortune is here in the past? Queen of Wands, Seven of Wands and Four of Swords. I think that you really had that inertia or that strength in you where you had to if you had to fight for something, you really fought for that. You know, standing up for your beliefs, standing up for yourself, standing up for the people around you. But this could be because of some person. You know, some people give motivation to us, and because of that motivation we feel really powerful at that time. But all of a sudden I feel that that person is either quiet for some time, or they are not you are in no contact zone with that person, and that is why that motivation is lacking, that feeling of satisfaction is lacking, and you are just feeling bored and you are feeling like doing nothing. Okay, so it could be a marriage thing, so it could be your husband or your wife. So let's see. Tell me about the Queen of Swords in the present. The High Priestess, Ten of Swords, and Four of Pentacles. So yes. Okay, so okay. So I feel that this is your other person with whom you are dealing, and that person, as I told you, that person is there but still not there. Either the relationship has ended, or they are, as I told you, you are somewhere in no contact zone. There could have been a betrayal also in the situation, but there is a stubbornness of not talking to this person anymore. Tell me about the Hanged Man energy in the present. The Lovers, Two of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. Yeah, you're still thinking that I feel that the progress which we are talking about is talking to this person again. You are in that zone of what should I do, whether to talk to this person or not. You are trying to balance your energies. What should I do? What should I do? You're just thinking, because there is a strong love energy which is coming up. But you know, who should do it? Because both of you have your own attitude or ego, or whatever we say, that energy of, you know, why should I call this person, or why should I message that person should message you. So there is definitely strong egoistic energies which I am really getting at present. Okay, so let's see the future energies. Two of Wands. Why the Two of Wands is here? Three of Cups, Tower, and Eight of Wands. I feel that this communication which is not in the process or progress, it will happen. Okay, the communication will definitely happen. It could be a meeting where you could meet because of some other third person. So there's a meeting, but because of that problem, you know, you could have been feeling a lot of because there are betrayal energies as well. So whosoever is mad, if you are mad at your person, if you or your person is mad at you, so just be ready for the explosion of words which might happen in the coming future, because I think this is needed, because you both haven't talked, or there could somewhere, you know, the exact fight which really needed to be done, it didn't happen, and that is the reason somewhere you really feel that this is like, I am not there with the person, or you feel that, you know, your feeling of saying the truth to that person, or saying your true intentions to that person were lacking, because you couldn't talk to this person the way you really wanted to have a chat with them. Knight of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, and Nine of Swords. Yeah, it's kind of lacking again. It's kind of hanging. It's kind of going slow with this energy. So if you really want to talk to this person, go and have this talk, because delaying it more and more will be just, you know, it's giving you a lot of anger, and it's giving you a lot of anger and anxiety issues. So you are getting those issues. So if you are not able to talk to this person, try to find somebody else to help you in this process of communication, because you need help right now. All right, Pisces, if this is not your energy, this could be a person's energy here. Okay, so just take as it resonates, as I always tell you. But please, whosoever this person is, please put your ego down and communicate with the other person, because you both are not feeling really good at this time, honestly. Alright, so that is all from my side, and I hope that helps. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.